What is your reaction regarding the statement of former Senator Antonio Trillanes regarding dun sa statement niya that um, former VP Leni Robredo is friends with the current vice president?
Well, I subscribe to the statement of Congresswoman Laila de Lima. We're friends, no? But I think uh, it should not. Uh, we should be careful with our statements that it should not create no division among the ranks. And I think it has been cleared also that there was a video that was taken during the 2022 campaign that the person interviewing VP Lenny at the time asked the question on the ICC, no, and the importance of the ICC and our membership on the ICC, and it was clear that based on the answer of VP Lenny that the statement of Senator Trillanes, I think, was misplaced, no? So, ang importante ngayon, dapat hindi tayo nag-aaway-away sa mga naniniwala sa pananagutan, no, ng demokrasya, laban sa, and of course, yung usapin tungkol sa impunity, no, dapat magsama-sama tayo in building that supposedly big tent, dahil although 3 years away, no, dapat maintindihan natin, kung hindi tayo magkakaisa, mahihirapan tayong manalo sa 2028.